Yaddle winks. Apple is red, round and sweet. It is such a crunchy treat. Banana is yellow, long and bright. Peel it off and take a bite. Orange is orange, juicy and round. The tastiest fruit that can be found. Grapes are purple, small and green. The cutest fruit I've ever seen. Mango is yellow, the king of all. We love eating it, big and small. Watermelon is green and red inside, with tiny seeds that like to hide. Strawberry is red with a tiny hat. I want to eat a lot of that. Be friends, just hit subscribe.